How to delete Google Play Store purchase history. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to delete Google Play Store purchase history, simply you need to hop into Play Store. Now select the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. Now from this menu bar, you need to select Payments and Subscription option and then tap on Budget and History option. On this section, you will see all your purchase history. Right now, I don't have any of the purchase history as I haven't spent any much of the money. If you have any, you will successfully find out this purchase history on this Budget and History section. Now you need to go back and tap on your profile icon in order to select your Manage Your Google account. Now you need to swipe and tap on Data and Privacy option, and then you need to scroll down until you find Delete Your Google Service option. You simply need to tap on Delete a Google Service and wait for it to load. And then you'll have to enter your Google account's email and password for verification. Once verified, you can proceed to delete the service, which will remove your purchase history as well. So, hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.